Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Ba, noon, noon. So this blue letter, the noon, why is this a noon and not a dhal? It looks like a dhal, right? Right. This is a dhal. And if a letter comes after a dhal on this side, then the dhal is not connected with that letter. Look, these letters are connected. Ba is connected with noon, is connected with noon. But if a letter comes after dhal, it's not connected. So you can see if it is a dal or not if it's a dhal or not a dhal. It's the same with dal. It's also not connected. The letter after dal is not connected. We'll give you some examples when you go on, but I just want to say this. Let's start, inshallah. Ba, noon, noon. Ba, noon, noon. So this is not the dhal, it is noon, the blue one. Ta, ya, noon. Ta, ya, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Tha, tha, noon. Tha, tha, noon. The tha is like thank you, the English word thank you. It begins with the letter th, tha. Jim, jim, as in jump. Jim. This one is a little bit hard if you don't know how to pronounce it. You have to pronounce it from your throat, like this. Ha, with power. Not ha. The ha, this is the ha. This is the ha. From hamdulillah. Not hamdulillah. Not ham, but ha. You have to practice it. Bi'idhnillah. Ha. Kha. 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 Ha. Tha. Ha. Tha. Ha. Tha. Kha. Ba. Kha. Ba. Kha. Ba. Jim. Ta. Jim. Ta. Jim. Ta. Ta. Ha. Ta. Ta. Ha. Ta. So this ha is the same as this one, but if you write it, he loses his belly. Okay, don't forget it. Ta, ha, ta. Ya, jim, ba. Ya, jim, ba. Ya, jim, ba. Ba, kha, ta. Ba, kha, ta. Ba, kha, ta. This one looks like the ha, but we always have to look at the dots. The dots tell us what it is. So, which letter has two dots above? That's correct, the ta. So this is a ta. Ta. Ta as in tea. Ta, a cup of tea. This is ha, like hello. Ha. This is ha. This is ha. This is ha. This one is ha. Hello. Ba. Ta. It looks like a ha. You see it? but it has dots, so be careful. Ba ta, ba ta. So this one is yeah, has no dots, so it's a ha, like this one. Yeah ha, yeah ha, yeah ha. Ta yeah, ta yeah. I'm sorry, I mean ta yeah. I'm sorry, I mean ta ha. This is the ha. Ta ha. Ta ha. Nun ta. Nun ta. Nun ta. Ha. 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 Ya ha ba. Ya ha ba. Ba ha alif. Ba ha alif. Ba ha alif. Ba ha mim. Ba ha mim. Ba ha mim. Dal. 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 ذال. 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 Like in the English word that. ذال. That house. ذال. جيم دال. جيم دال. جيم دال. خا ذال. خا ذال. خا ذال. را. 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 Zijn. The letter zebra. Zijn. Zijn. Jim ra. Jim ra. Jim ra. Kha za. Kha za. Khaza. May Allah help all our brothers in over the world, the Sunni brothers. Ra and sisters, of course. Ra. 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 Ameen. Zijn. 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 Ya ra. Ya ra. Ya ra. Ta. Zijn. Ta. Zijn. Ta. Zijn. So it's the letter T and the letter zebra. We are saying Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Zain, Lam, but what counts are the first letter of those words. The first letters are very important. So if I say here Jim, the letter J is, this is the letter J, but I call it Jim for to make it easier. But later on, you have to learn only the first letter that we speak. So this is Ba, but you have to learn in the future it's B. N. N. Ba, Nun, Nun. It's B, N, N. So in the future we're going to work with harakat, and then we can make this Ba, Nana, or Ba, Nina, or Bu, Nina. Okay? This is the letter Sin. So it's this letter S from the sun. The letter Sin. Sin. This is the letter Sheen. 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 like in shape or shoot or sheikh. The letter sheen. Sin lam. Sin lam. Sin lam. Sheen lam. Sheen lam. Sheen lam. Sad. 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 So not sad, but sad. As in the word salah, prayer. Very important. If you don't pray, very bad. Very bad. So the Muslims until the 600th century from the Hijrah, until that, so the 600 after the Hijrah, non-Muslim who said I'm a Muslim who didn't pray. After the 600 Hijrah, something happened, and a lot of Muslims don't pray. It's the second pillar of Islam. The first pillar is Tawheed, that you don't worship anything else but Allah, and you don't ask from anyone else who hasn't the power than Allah. And the second one is Salah, a very important prayer. If you don't pray, ask Allah to make you pray. Okay? Jazakallah khairan. Sad, Salah. This is Dad. Dad. This is Dal, from door, and this is Dad. Dad. Very heavy. This is also a heavy one. This is Ta. 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 This is Ta. Ta. And this one is Ta, as the word Tayyib. Ta. This letter is Dha, as in the word Zalimun. Dha. 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 Sad ba. Sad ba. Sad ba. Ta ba. Ta ba. Ta ba. Dad lam. Pardon, alif. Dad alif. Dad alif. Dha alif. Dha alif. Dha alif. This one's also a little bit difficult. This letter is also from the throat. Ain. You have to give a little bit of power. Ain. Ain. You have to practice. Ain. A lot. Ghain. Ghain. So this one is Ain. This one is Ghain. Ghain. Hamza. This one is Hamza, but you don't pronounce it. Hamza has no pronunciation on his own. Ghain za. Pardon. Ain za. Ain za. Ain za. Ghain ra. Ghain ra. Ghain ra. صاد عين. صاد عين. صاد عين. ضاد غين ضاد غين ضاد غين با عين دال با عين دال ت غين ذال ت غين ذال ألف. This is simple, right? ألف ألف. This one is the wow. 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 Yeah. 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 Fa, as in fun or floor. Fa. 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 سبحانك اللهم بحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.